Hi friends, I am Ambika from Narayana Tech House. Now I want to explain the Python program, and the question is write a program to count all vowels in the string. So let's start the program. So this given string is Python Narayana. So we want to count the vowel in the string. How to count? So we should start from the first character to last character. So I take here count equals to 0. From 0 character to up to last we should count this string. After counting we should take the vowel. We want to find the vowel in the string. So we should take V equals to A, E, I, O, U. So once we have taken A, E, I, O, U, then we should check from first character to last character. The first character is the I. So for I in ST. First time I value will be P. Then second time I value will be Y. So on up to last character of A. Once we have taken the I value, then we have to check the condition. This is available in I or not. For checking it, we have to take if I in V. So if I in V, first time the I value will be P. So if I value P is available in V or not. If it is available, the count is increased. Like count equals to count plus 1. If it is not available, then if there is any consonant or the other spaces, then count is not increased. So count equals to count plus 1. So we should check each and every character starting from P to A. Once we have checked, we should print the output. Print the count 1. Print. The resultant code output is 5. How it is 5? So here V equals to A, I, U. We have to check the string value. So first time I value is P. If P is not available in vowel, then count is equals to count plus 1 is 0. It will not be increased. Next time I value will be Y. Then again it is available in V, we should check. If it is not available, then there is no increment or we can't increase the count. Next time the I value will be T. Then if we check in V, it is not available. So this value is not available in the vowel, then again count is not increased. In the same way, we should check next one is H. It is not available in A, E, I, O, U. Then count is not increased. Next time we should take the I value as O. We should check in V. Here I is available in V. Then count is increased. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Next time N. We should check in V. So V is not available in N. So it is not increased. Next time space. So if we take space value in any vowel, then count is not increased. Next time we should take N. If we should check this value in A, E, I, O, U, then it is not available in V, count is not increased. Next time again it is A. So we should take V value. We should check A, E, I, O, U, then I is available in N. Then previously the count value was 0 plus 1. Now it becomes 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Next time we should check I value as R. R is available in V. So V it is not available. So count is not increased. Next time A. So A is available in V. Then I is available. A is available in vowel. Then count is increased. That time 2 was there. So this 2 plus 1 it becomes 3. Next time I value we should check Y. Y is not available in V. Then count is not increased. Then we should take A. A is not available in V. Then count is not increased. In the same way, we should check A character. A is available in V. Then I is in V. The count increases. Then the next time the I value becomes 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Then next time we should take N character. So N is available in V or not, we should check. It is not available, then count is not increased. Next time we should take A value. A value is available in vowel. I is in V. Then count is increased. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So the resultant output is